Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how to create manual journal in FreeAgent software. So for that we'll come in accounting menu. Here you will get option of journal entries. So once you click here you will get this kind of display. So from here you can select the period, and to create new journal we'll click on add new journal entries. So once you click here you will get this kind of display. So journal description, then after date, then after we'll enter the code and additional description, debit credit amount, and after passing GB, difference should be 0. To add new rows we can add from here. Similarly, to remove the rows we will click on this sign. Okay, so we can remove the rows and add rows as per our requirement. So let's create journal of accruals. So in journal description I'll write accruals. Let's select the code, audit fees. In additional information I'll write audit fees. In amount I'll write 500. Okay, and here I'll select the accruals code. Audit fees and 500. So as you can see difference becomes 0, and you cannot create new nominal code from here. Okay, so there is no any option to create new nominal code from here. To create nominal code you need to go into setting menu. Okay, so from settings you can create new ledgers. After all this thing I'll click on create journals. So once I click here our journal has been created. Okay, so from action tab we'll get 4 options, that is edit journal entries, copy new journal, reverse the journal, and delete these journal entries. Okay, let's click on edit this journal. So if you want to make any modification you can come here. Okay, and after required changes you need to click on save changes. Okay, and if you want to delete the journal then you can click on this button. So in this manner you can create manual journal in FreeAgent software. Okay, so from accounting menu you will get option of journal entries. Fine, thanks for watching.